What's up guys, and welcome back to my video. And today I'm going to be taking the receiver out of this car, Bugatti Veyron, that connects to this controller. So I'm going to be sawing it. And now here's the receiver. A receiver's when if this is connected to here and I move the joystick of this forward, these wheels will move. I'll put some batteries in and demonstrate. So now, because this motor, which moves the wheel forward and back, connected to the receiver, so when I hopefully move this down, these will move. Oh wait, no, I need to put it on. Oh, there's battery. Look, so now you can see it moving, and now I have these other part, that connects to the back, and then this is the left and right part. And I'm going to finish off the video here, but I'm going to, with these parts, I'm going to make a flying remote control aeroplane, and that'll be another video. Stay tuned. Bye.